Hello guys, so today is another quick vlog regarding a new device from DJI. So again guys, if you have the DJI Mic 2 and also if you have Sony camera, then this vlog is for you guys. Again, if you have DJI Mic 2 and the Sony camera, and if you want connection between these two without the 3.5 jack, so the DJI have this camera adapter or DJI Mic 2 camera adapter. So you don't need the wire at 3.5. Just put the receiver to the camera, then bam, boom, you are already connected with the MI Hatchu of the Sony cameras. But again, not only just Sony cameras, but there is a list of the Sony cameras compatible with this DJI Mic 2 camera adapter. So you have the ZVE1, ZVE10, Alpha A1, A9 Mark III, A9 Mark II, A7S Mark III, currently we're using now, A7R Mark V, A7R Mark IV, A7CR, A7C2, A7C, A7 IV, 6700, FX30, and FX3. This is what compatible on this DJI Mic 2 adapter. So this is the DJI Mic 2 adapter, and this is the receiver from the DJI Mic. So we will put the receiver from here, guys. So this is how it looks, guys, when you put in the DJI Mic 2. So let's put in the Sony A7S Mark III and let's test this adapter, guys.